You've been told that you have some hardware in your data center that is no longer supported and must be replaced. Maybe an OEM has told you that they are no longer going to take service calls on it or provide spare parts. Hey, I'm Mike, and this video is for IT executives and managers who have been told that their IT equipment is EOSL and must be replaced. You have storage, server, or networking equipment that is still serving your needs, but the manufacturer has told you they're no longer going to support it anymore, and their solution is for you to spend a significant portion of your IT budget on a hardware upgrade. But you have competing needs from your company to spend on applications that can grow the business. We have a client that does R&D for a variety of technology industries, and they ran into this exact same situation where they had both server and storage hardware that had reached the OEM's end of service dates. They were looking at having to spend several $1,000,000 not only to replace the hardware, but to pay exorbitant support costs on the new equipment. They would have been spending money that they wanted to put into other programs that could advance their mission and better serve their customers. The equipment they had in place was more than adequate, but they had been pushed into a corner and needed alternatives. By choosing third-party support, they were able to keep their current equipment in service and move forward with programs and applications that could grow their business, all the while saving 70% on their maintenance costs. Are you in this situation now, or you see it coming up in the near future? Ping me on LinkedIn and let's talk about it. Thank you for listening, and I hope this information helps you as you contemplate, develop, and submit your next IT budget. Be sure to take a look at the other videos I have on the subject. And by the way, we provide discounted data center hardware and hardware support so you can put more money into projects that generate revenue for your company. We have both at up to 80% off list price.